Welcome back to Riddle Griddle. In this video, we are going to make a simple and delicious liquor chocolate with dark chocolate outer shell and a white paste-like filling with Jack Daniel's whiskey. The only ingredients that we need for this are dark chocolate, unsalted butter, some whiskey, and white chocolate wafers. Remember, the white chocolate wafers we are using for the filling is different from chocolate chips. Chocolate wafers melt easily and do not set rigidly. It maintains a smooth paste-like texture when cooled, exactly what we need for our chocolate liquor filling. I am also using some sliced almonds to give it some crunch. This is completely optional. Start by crushing the almonds into small pieces using hand. Melt half cup of dark chocolate until it's smooth and fully dissolved. I use the microwave to melt the chocolate. Melt it in stages. Do not heat it for a long time at once. I am melting this in 3 steps. Once the dark chocolate is completely melted, place it in boiled water to slow down cooling. Add the crushed almonds to the base of the chocolate tray. Here, I am using a silicone tray since I do not have proper chocolate tray. This is not the best to work with for chocolate. A solid tray will let you tap down the tray to get rid of bubbles. It's also easier to scrape off the excess chocolate from a hard chocolate tray. Fill the tray with the melted chocolate. With the first pour, we are aiming to create the outer shell. Spread the chocolate as much as needed and scrape off the rest. I am using a parchment paper to make it easier to clean. Refrigerate the tray for 15 to 20 minutes. While the chocolate outer shell is being cooled down, melt the white chocolate wafers. Add 1 tablespoon of butter into it and mix well. Once the mix is in a paste-like consistency, add the whiskey into it. You can add any liquor of your choice. Based on how strong you want it, adjust the quantity. We are using about 20 to 25 milliliters of liquor for half-cup chocolate wafers. This ratio gives a pretty strong flavor. If you enjoy what you see, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more. Now let's take out the chocolate shell that we placed in the refrigerator earlier. It will look like a smooth matte finish, which is hard to the touch when completely set. Gently scrape off the chocolate on the surface of the tray. Next step is adding the liquor filling into the shell. Pour the white liquor filling into each shell. Leave some room on the top for the chocolate base. If there is not enough room left for the base layer, the chocolate shell will break easily and will be hard to handle. After adding the liquor filling into the shell, refrigerate again for about 20 minutes. The filling will not set as hard as the outer shell, thanks to the white chocolate wafers we used for the filling. This is exactly what we need for the paste-like texture of the liquor filling. Once the filling sets, we will move on to adding the final base layer of dark chocolate. After this, refrigerate for an additional 15 more minutes and the chocolate is fully set. That's all it takes to make your own liquor chocolate at home. We find cooking anything at home is more satisfying than buying from store. Leave a comment if you agree with us. Also consider subscribing to Riddle Griddle so that we can bring you more simple and easy recipes that you can try out at home. Thanks for watching.